Hey y'all, it's your girl Lala. So we're at sea. We're currently in the Gulf of Mexico. My daughter and I. So we're in the Gulf of Mexico today. We're on Carnival Sunrise and we're headed to the Cayman Islands and also to Jamaica. So guys, we're at the back of the ship and I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see. There's another ship over there in the back. I think it's a Norwegian cruise line. So there it is over there, Norwegian cruise line. And I think that one is heading to Mexico because the ship is turning. So it's going across us while we're heading down. Where are we heading? What direction do you think we're heading? Southwest, yes. And we're currently passing by Cuba over there. Can you see the mountain, guys? Yeah, we're passing by Cuba. I'll take you over there in a minute. There goes the trademark for Carnival, the tail. So there you can see Cuba in the far distance, guys. That's Cuba. That's the closest I will get to Cuba. There it is. Cuba is so big, guys, so big. Cuba is the biggest island in the Caribbean. Beautiful day at sea. It's a beautiful day at sea. As you can see, the water is not rough. The water is calm. Beautiful today, guys. Very beautiful. A little bit windy, of course, because you're on the open ocean. But nothing crazy. Beautiful day to sail. See? All you can see is that beautiful ocean. We're in the Gulf of Mexico.